Hey Neapolitans, Neapolitangal here. Well, I've got to move. Oh my god, yeah. So let me show you a quick blurb of what's going on in my dining room right now. We have a 16-year-old son. After Irma, my mom moved in with us for a couple months because she did lose her place. So my son went from the front bedroom, which is where my mom ended up staying, to the center bedroom, which was the man cave at the time. When my mom moved out, my son decided he wanted to stay in that man cave room, and so the front bedroom became the man cave. This is the contents over here of his closet out of that room that I'm currently going through. So that is usually where I film most of my videos, is the dining room there, with the exception of when I'm doing makeup, which is at that new makeup table in my bedroom. But so over the next couple weeks, I might eke out maybe one more video, and it's probably going to be another wish haul on limited quantity deals. But while we're discussing limited quantity deals, over here, I'm going to run a video here in a second of my order history from limited quantity deals. And why I'm going to do that is this. I had a commenter on my my last limited quantity deal that said, and you know what, I think I'll just read their comments here. 11KC is this person's name. Sorry, 11KC Gaming is this person's name. And I woke up this morning to a comment, and this is the conversation that took place in these comments. Fake, all in capital letters. I'm tired of these people trying to scam. It's a KC Gaming, 11KC Gaming. What scammers? Wish has these deals every hour. Each one of these items I show here, I got for 75 cents. You have to be persistent, and if you do what I suggested in the video, you can get them too. But you also will lose many times before you win. 11KC Gaming says, at Neapolitangal, I bought these all today. I bought these all day till I maxed out my debit card, and I didn't win a single thing. And I said, that means you weren't the first to pay for yours. I lose a lot, but I get a fair amount too. Neapolitangal, no, fake. No, it's not fake. I've been showing you guys 2 videos now of my wish hauls from limited quantity deals, but this person thinks it's fake. So what I'm going to do now is Hey Neapol fans, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. You can also follow me on Instagram and Twitter and Facebook. Okay, so this is my limited quantity deals. This is actually my order history from Wish. So we're going to go through this. And that was really slow this morning. So there's a pending confirmation, pending confirmation, pending confirmation, pending, refunded. This is one I didn't get, and I did get refunded, and arriving. I didn't click on that one for some reason. Refunded, processing. Processing means that I actually got it. And so we're going to scroll back up here. I got refunded on this one. These are shoes I got. Processing, which means I did get them. Look, 50 cents and 25 cents, a limited quantity deal. Means I did get it. So, KC Gaming, here we are. There's a leash I got for my mom's dog. Again, 50 cents, 25 cents, and a limited quantity deal. Refunded. I actually haven't checked in the last little while. Probably have something I've either gotten or not gotten. So this was refunded. And again, I always do the refund back to my Wish, back to my Wish cash, and I'll show you that here in a sec. So yeah, I mean, you know, when you see people who, like that commenter I mentioned a minute ago, that don't get stuff, they're just sore. I mean, I went a couple of days without getting stuff before, and that's why I started keeping X amount of money in my Wish Cash to play with. So I don't max out a debit card. Why would you max out your bank account for this stuff, I mean, that is obviously a person who is sitting there doing nothing all day long but trying to win these things. Okay, so refunded, arriving. This one I'm really excited about. It's a 4-foot tall teddy bear, and I've got a brand new nephew coming in April, so this is going to be for him. And it has been shipped. See, it has been shipping. I also got him a diaper bag. I'll show you here in a second. There it is, the diaper bag, arriving by March 26th. Neither one's going to make it for the what do you call it? The baby shower this weekend, but I'll give him a little something for that in the meantime. Refunded. Arriving by is a beautiful dress. I think I got the gray one. No, I got the black one. And again, say it's a limited quantity deal, 50 cents, 25 cents. Every video I do, when I show you guys products, I actually put up my transaction up there so you guys can see that they were limited quantity deals. So it boggles my mind that people don't believe this stuff. This is just like the Amazon giveaways they used to do. It's the same type of thing. And more or less, it's just to get you interested and keep you on Wish, to keep you looking for stuff. So I'm going to go to the next page now. And what do we got here? Refunded. Arriving by. That's actually something I bought, so I'm not even going to click on that one. Refunded, arriving. This one I'm really excited about. I have to get a frame to mount it on, but it's really pretty. I'm excited about getting that because especially since we are moving into a new place, it'll be something new for the walls. That blue purse I did get Friday. I have a red one just like it coming. I think it's been lost in the mail, but hopefully it'll still arrive. Refunded. And every time I do the refunds, I always go back to Wish Cash because what is the point of doing a 75-cent refund to your debit card? You can use the money instead on this way. I traveled a lot yesterday, so I'm looking to see if any of my stuff I did yesterday has been accepted yet. Refunded. Okay. That I got the other day. It's really nice. It's heavy. I'm actually going to be doing some traveling this week for a funeral, so I'm going to use that for my toiletries and my makeup and stuff. So I have 2 funerary functions to go to. That dress is kind of nice. I'll show you real quick on the camera. I also have this this pink wig coming. So I have that dress coming. It's a pair of flip-flops here someplace that I got. It might be next here. If you haven't been able to tell, I love boots. The thing that just went up that says arriving by prior to these markers I'm excited about. Prior to this was a silver roll, and that's something I also bought myself versus through one of these deals to line the drawers in our new place with. Refunded, arriving by. We just clicked on that. Refunded. So, refunded, arriving by. I'm actually really hoping this might arrive by this Wednesday. I don't think it's going to, but I'm hoping it would. I would actually prefer to wear this to the funeral instead. But I do have funerary clothes in there I can wear. I just kind of thought it would be nice. I've got 2 bathing suits coming. I have this one, which I got in a black. I got that black one right there. Also have a second bathing suit that I got coming. That's on the next page. And these are all through limited quantity deals. Every one of these. These boots I'm really excited for as well. And these pants, 50 cents, 25 cents. These are all dead giveaways that they're limited quantity deals because they're all the same price. 50 cents, 25 cents. That just got dispatched to the USPS. There's the other bathing suit I got. I got this one in the wine red. I live in a beach state. I live really close to the beach, so of course I'd be doing a mask. I also paid for, so I'm not going to click on it. This is the backpack I've shown you guys a couple of times in my videos. I have another one coming in. This will be the second one. This is going to be for my mom. I'll actually use mine Wednesday for traveling. This blouse I'm really excited about. This might be in by this weekend. This coming weekend, I should say. Refunded, arriving by. There's the skirt I'm getting here. And again, you see the sizes. I don't wear a 5X. Their sizes are really small. Their large really is a US small or extra small, and then they go up from there. So, see, this is just like the blue one I showed you earlier that I got on Friday. It is late. It was shipped, but it's late out. So that one I've got to check on that one. Arriving buys on a purse. I love purses, and they're nice purses for the most part. This one I'm not entirely sure how nice it's going to be, but for 75 cents I'll find out. This, I've got 2 bottles. If you'll see on the next page, I actually have a second bottle. These are $150 in Sephora, and I got them for 75 cents. And they are the real deal. They're sealed. It's everything it's supposed to be. I didn't like it, though. If you like patchouli, you'll love Angel. If you don't like patchouli, don't even think about it. Let's see here. Refunded. These I'm really excited about. They're globes, glass globes that you can put. I got an 18-piece set coming in that you can put tea lights in and hang. I'm going to try to find one of those trees. This I thought was a limited quantity deal, but it's not. This I actually paid for. It's magnetic eyelash stuff. Eyelashes, actually. Refunded. Refunded, delivered. This is my makeup desk. I love it, and I did pay 75 cents for it, and it's solid wood, and it's gorgeous, and you saw in my last video. That's actually what I've been doing my makeup videos on. So, let's pause that right there for a second. Okay, so I'm going to show you now the refund process of Wish. My last video that I showed you this stuff on, I didn't have one that was action pending, so I'm going to show you how to get your refund with Wish. Loading the Wish app here now. I did this earlier this morning. So you're going to go to Order History, and then scroll down. Again, this was 7:26 this morning, so I've actually picked up a few more things since then. So this is the one that says Action Required. I'm going to go back up to it. There's the Action Required. Please choose your refund method. So we're going to click on that. You're going to come down here and click on Support, Contact Support. And then this silly little exchange is going to come. So I show them what it was, and they tell me, I'm sorry you weren't the first, and you get 2 ways to get your money back. You lose any discounts you got, then you get to pick Wish Cash or original payment method. I always do Wish Cash, because 75 cents going back to my debit card and having to wait up to a week or more for it was silly. So then you can rate your experience, yes or no. And then if you need to, you can always go back, but I don't need to here. So yeah, that's what it is. And see, at the time I had $3.04 in Wish Cash. Right now I think I've maxed out my Wish Cash. But again, I've got a few things that are pending, so I'll either get my money back or I'll get the item. Either way is good with me. Yeah, right now I have 4 cents. So at this point, what will happen is if I pick up anything else at the top of the hour, if I don't lose anything that I've already tried to get, then the money will go back to put it into my Wish account instead, and I'll just keep playing with it. So that's all I've got to say today. So when you are doing anything Wish related, just because just because you didn't win doesn't mean that it's a scam. I have a desk in there that easily, especially right here in this area, would have been at least $100. I got for 75 cents. I've gotten 2 expensive bottles of perfume that each go for $150 at Sephora for 75 cents each. I have gotten I've got several pairs of shoes, I've got outfits, I've got a beautiful aquamarine dress in there that I'm going to wear to a funeral this week. 2 funerals this week, in fact. So, it just because, just because you didn't get it in time doesn't mean anything. So, again, basically what you want to do is the following. Okay, so more or less this is what you want to do. Let's say this is the clock on my wall, and it's just before the turn of the hour. At this point, you would want to launch your Wish app, like I did in the previous little segment. And then, at the top of the hour, you would open up Wish and you would start looking for items. But by here, 1 minute after, you've lost the item if you have not already gotten it. Now, some of the more or less popular items, the ones that aren't as popular, I should say, you may have more of a chance with getting them later in the wait. But at this point, excuse the analog 24-hour clock 4K animation number 1 up there, but at this point is where you want to have your transaction finished. So at the turn of the hour, you launch Wish. You got about 30 seconds to a minute to find an item and pick it up, pay for it. If you don't have it done by that 1 minute mark, excuse the jiggling, my foot was itchy, you probably aren't going to get the item. Do it as quickly as possible. So the best thing for you to do is to go ahead and make wish lists. Wish lists, go through and search items. Now, I'm not saying that whatever you search, whatever is in your wish list, will necessarily be the items that you get, but you will be offered items similarly to items that you've looked at. So they're going to throw random crap at you otherwise, and you take it or leave it. Items that you try to get, a lot of times, will come up again. So just because you didn't get it this time, you might get it next time if it's something that you want. That's how I went up with 2 bottles of Angel. But yeah, that's all I've got for you guys today. So if you think Wish, the limited quantity deals are scams so far way off base that, it's not even funny. So 11KC Gaming, keep at it. Don't empty out your bank account for this stupid stuff. I have a Mad Money account that I keep money in, and I will transfer a little bit of money over if I need to get these items, but I know that I'm offered, once an hour, I can go in and try and get these items, and I know that I've got to wait 24 hours to even find out. And at the end of that 24 hours, I either have to ask for a refund, or my item's going to be being shipped soon. So don't think that these are scams, because they really aren't. You just have to be lucky. I tend to be really lucky at a lot of stuff. So not lucky in life, but lucky in winning things. So that's all I've got for you guys today. I've got to eat my lunch and got to get packing. I'm not going to eat my Subway sub on camera. So, all right, guys, take care. I'll load this video up here really shortly and get her loaded. See y'all in a bit.